Hello viewers, I think you're alright. Today's video I show you how to use Windows 95, 98, 93. This old version Windows also play the old version game. It's very good for those guys who play Street Fighter, then Prince of Persia, then Super Blaster, and this kinds of game, and Mario, this kinds of astonishing game. If for example if you like to play Mario, you can double click here and the interface is coming. This old age we play this kinds of game, and this kinds of game is very popular those days. Okay, and you can play these kinds of all type this kinds of game from here. So this is a this you do not install Windows 95, 98, 93. All Windows come into the one place. You do not download anything. You just go to this website and you got this one. Okay, how to use Windows 98? For example, this one. I want to use Windows 98. I click on here and Windows 98 operating system is opening. You see this operating system, this old operating system. This is very good for those guys who used to use 98, 93 Windows. And for example, I want to run 96 Windows. Just double click here, and this is run. You see this Windows 96 Windows is run, just one click. Okay, and you see the interface. This is the old interface. Okay, for example, you have to run 93 Windows. You just double click here, double click, and 93 Windows is appear. Just few seconds. This is the 96 Windows. Wow, you see this interface, because this time we used to this kinds of Windows, and this memory we used to these memories, we back these memories. For example, you have to play, if you want to play Street Fighter Alpha, you double click here and you see Street Fighter Alpha is appear. In this you do not install Windows 93, 98, 93. Okay, you see all kinds of games. You have double click and this is appear. So how can you run this game, how to play this game, and how to run this Windows, how to do it? I show you the tricks how to use these kinds of game. Okay, you need to go to the Google and type emupedia. Okay, emupedia, then enter. This is the first link, emu OS version 1. You click on here, just click on here, you just click on Windows 95 is appear. After loading 95, you see whole interface is coming. This is the 98. Double click, you can download, you can double click here and 98 Windows is appear. If you download, if you double click 96, this 96 Windows is appear. If you want Windows 93, it is appear. And if you want to play any kinds of game, for example, Cut the Rope Magic Mobile version, you can double click from here and this game is run after few seconds. So it is very good site for you, and you do not need to install this Windows. Okay, so thank you very much. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, also press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.